Hi and welcome, I am here today with HTC Desire 21 Pro and I'll be showing you how to get an iOS volume panel. First, of course, we have to go to the Google Play Store. From there, look for volume styles and install the first application that pops up. Wait for it to download and install. In the end, simply open it. Then click on that start button in the top right corner. Great, now give the application following permissions: volume styles, use service, allow. Now agree that you are over the age of 16. Great. Now if you go a little bit down, as you can see, there's this iOS volume panel style. Now if you try to change the volume, as you can see, it's hard to spell actually, but we get this iOS styled volume panel. Now there are many other themes, for example Wave, which has a little animation. Yes. Now Vivo FunTouch OS, which is pretty simple and minimalistic. We've got even Windows 10 volume panel and many more, and I'm going to leave that all to you, and I highly recommend this application. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.